Alright everyone, welcome back! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a shooter game in Scratch, like a space shooter game. Let's go. So we're going to delete the sprite. And if you want to either find a rocket in here, in the Scratch library, or you can just upload another chip with better graphics than this. Personally, I'm doing the Scratch library. Sorry. Alright. Shit. Not Sonic. Alright. 30%. No. 70. So we're gonna go one green flag clicked. Go to x0 y minus 90 forever. If the left arrow key is pressed, we're going to change x by minus 10. If the right arrow key is pressed, change x by 10. And if mouse down or key space pressed, then create clone of, not myself, I'm gonna make a bullet soon. Alright, so in order to make that code, I think I'm gonna make the background should be pretty simple. Alright. The background is done over there. Now, next thing we need to do is start drawing stars. 30. Start drawing stars. I don't care how long this takes, just start drawing them. Alright. So now we're gonna make the enemy sprite. I think it'll be the enemy will be a meteoroid. Let's see if there's a meteor sprite. Oh guys, look at this Scratch secret, by the way. Homer. One way. I'll just make a little meteor sprite. Like space junket stuff. You guys probably get it. Alright, meteor is done. So there's a meteor, x0, y0. Alright, so One green flag clicked. 190. 240 maybe. Green flag clicked. Go back 0. What? 202. Hi. Forever. Set. Alright, so Meteor AI. Set Meteor AI. Pick random 1 to 3. Wait. Pick random 1 to 5 seconds. If Meteor AI if the Meteor AI is equal to 1, and go to X0, Y202 equals, if the Meteor AI is equal to 2, go to X minus 160, 202. But if it's equal to 3, go to 160, 202. So that should be working. Yeah, the Meteor AI is changing. Let's see. Okay, so now what I'm gonna need to do is repeat until touching edge. Change Y by -10. But it is touching the edge, so 144, 144, 144, 144.
This is Brian, who is a pro mixed martial arts fighter, and I definitely am not. So hopefully he can teach me.
And forever next costume.
That looks really hard.
Break this down nice and slow at first. 1, 2, slip. So the punch is coming towards my face. Turn out of the way of it. Now this punch is right
Hi.
boxers stand like this. People try to take you down on the street. So here, hands up. Yeah. That's how we're going to start. Just 1, 2. Slip. Turn.
Alright, so I think I should make the ship's laser. So brightness. So okay. Alright, now I'm gonna change it to yellow. You can change the color to whatever you want. I'm just changing it to yellow for reasons. It's like I got my reasons, alright? Wait, just got an idea. Alright. So that's our laser. I should shrink it down just to.
But I think it was a success. Let's move on to the next one. Today I'm going to teach myself how to break dance. I could be completely wrong, but I feel like this one might be a bit easier for me to learn. I thought breakdancing was going to be easy, but once I started trying to teach myself this first move, I quickly realized I was wrong. I'm trying to do the move where they spin their legs around in a circle, and I am so confused. After several failed attempts of what I think is called a helicopter,
Great
I
clone
finally figured
of
out.
laser.
In order to do it, I needed to start with my legs in front of me and not behind like I was here. These definitely were not perfect, but they were getting a little bit better each time.
By minus.
This is going to be it right here.
Minus 160.
The next couple moves came pretty easily to me until it was time to try a kip up. Surprisingly, I have never tried this move before. After trying this the hard way many times, I finally got it, and then I realized a kip up is
Yeah, okay. We'll just do that simple.
My Sony family, what is up, guys? It is official spooky season. The first week of October is now here.
This is the first out of 1,000 deaf people that we're gonna help hear.
Alright,
And she
so like,
hasn't heard her mother's voice
yeah.
in 4 years. Can you hear? Next we help Kaylee, Sudi, and even entire families hear their loved ones again. But they are only a few of the 1,000 people that we are gonna help hear
Alright,
again today.
when
We
I.
got our hands on over $3 million
It's a new
of
clone.
cutting-edge hearing technology.
I'm officially creating clones.
This is a
Clone,
never-ending
clone,
giant
clone.
mountain of cash. And as much cash as you
Delete
can
this
carry,
clone.
you can keep. I don't care if you put it in your pockets, in your hoodie, in your pants, in your shoes. Where do I go? Now. It starts now. Oh my God. What can I
Yeah,
do with all this
that's working really well. See that?
privacy you got? I need you to stand up. It's as much cash as you can carry. Do you want to keep any more money? Like,
Alright, so like, that's all the time I have for today. But I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.